Laba Moments here. Hello and welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, karibu sana, welcome. So in this particular video, I'll show you how to sign a PDF document. So if you're working in an office and you find it very difficult to get approvals from your immediate supervisor or from management, then this video will be a light bulb moment for you. Also, if you're seeking approvals or somebody to sign any document for you, maybe a SACCO, loan form, etc., then this video is for you. And there are many other scenarios of when somebody would need a PDF document signed by an authority. And so stick around and you will learn how to sign on PDF for free. So what you're seeing right now is a Word document. So I've created this simple letter and we will save this Word document into a PDF form. So I'll go to File and then I'll click on Save As, or I can opt to print. So but let me go to Save As, and then under here type, I'll select PDF, and then I'll browse to the location I want to save my PDF form. So let's say we want to save it under my document. So I'll click on Save. And now this is our PDF document ready for somebody to fill it in and sign. So if you're the owner of this form and maybe you want somebody to sign this letter for you, of course you will have created it in form of a Microsoft Word document, saved it as a PDF, and then shared it on email to somebody. And then so if you're the person being required to sign, this is how you'll go ahead and do it. So click at the top here, there's sign. When you click on sign, there's fill and sign. So select on fill and sign, click on it. So when you click on fill and sign, there's this fill and sign menu bar that pops up here at the top, and it has a number of tools you can be able to take advantage of. So let's click on this sign icon here, click on sign and click add a signature. So you can add a signature or you can add initials. So when I click add a signature, it will give me this pop-up box. So there are three options in which you can be able to sign a document. You can type in, let's say, your name. You want to sign it as light bulb moment, and you can change the look and feel, the style. If you want this style, if you want a different style, say this one, whichever style you want, and then you can go ahead and sign the particular document. Otherwise, if you want to draw, you can opt to just draw light bulb. I'm just scribbling on my computer, light bulb moment. Again, if you don't want to draw, let's clear that. You can go to image and you can select an image from wherever you've saved it. In case you have an image of your document, you can be able to do that. So let's use type. So I've typed this and I like how it looks. So I can below here I can say save. So whenever I need to sign any document in future, I can use this particular saved signature. So let's click on apply. So when you click on apply, you can see the cursor has picked the signature that I've saved. So I will just append it to the place where it says sign. I'll click on it there and exit that particular section. So I have signed. Then down here, if I want to put a date, I'll click, double click on that and put a date. Let's say September 2nd, 2020. And then here they say put your official name. So when I click on this, remember I have this cursor that shows that I'm writing words. And there are many other options. You can check something, but we'll use all of them as you go along. So let me type in my name, light bulb moments, then click away from that so that I exit the edit window. If I want to make any changes, I can just click again on it. If I want to drag it to fit nicely, I can be able to do that. I like a moment of ID, so I want to show that I am selecting ID. So I'll click on ID and then I'll select this check, add a check mark. Alternatively, on these three dots, you can click there and select the same tools that are here, as an X, a check, this oval shaped and line and dots. So let me select that. I can resize it to my liking. I can drag it to show that I'm selecting ID. And then I can click on this side and put my ID randomly. If that's my ID, I don't know how many numbers national IDs in Kenya normally are, but this is just an example. So if I feel I want to move it up again, maybe to center it, that's it. Confirm that I will abide by the data protection guidelines and rules and copyright policy agreement as communicated in a memo dated. Here it should read communicated. So in a memo dated, then I can put the date. Probably the memo was August 30th, 2020, or whichever other format. If I just want to put numbers, maybe I want to say 30/08 and 2020, whichever date format you want to use, you just type in. And then again, I can click on it, look for this cross thing, and then drag this thing to fit to this space. And yeah, that's it. So when you're done, you can close this particular window and save your form to wherever, your signed PDF to wherever you want to save it. So let's say maybe under documents, and rename it as signed. Save it, and you can go ahead and share this particular signed document on email to whoever requested for it. So I hope that you've learned something. Again, in case you're not subscribed, please subscribe. It is absolutely free. And also give me a like on this video, support my channel, and also don't forget to click that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post. Goodbye. Dun, 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 dun.